Hey guys, it's Blaze. Look at this. I just got out of a shower about an hour ago, and this is what happens when I let my hair air dry. Fun! So I mentioned that for BLAIZE I wanted to do a transformation video, and I'm doing it. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it because of how horrible October has been, which has made me very, 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 very spooky sad. However, I have to do it. So I am going to be trying my very best to transform myself into Elaine. Not Elena. I don't want people mixing that up. I mean Elaine, the Love Witch. Yes, if you have not seen the movie The Love Witch by now, do it. It's freaking amazing, and everybody who sees it loves it. It's eerie, it's creepy, it's beautiful, and Elaine is freaking amazing, and she's a spirit animal. Not my only one, but she's there. She's amongst them. So I already have some like the top I want on and the earrings I want on. But I have a wig I need to put on, which is gonna make me so uncomfortable, and it's also so messy. But we're gonna try to do her look, which is just so 70s twiggy beautiful, like, but with a witchy spin. I love it so freaking much. I'm also going to be doing TikToks throughout this transformation, so this is going to be equally or even more hard of the video to do, so bear with me. So I'm not going to talk through this. I know probably a lot of you are like, just gonna play some beautiful, beautiful witchy music and transform into this beautiful witchy woman. So enjoy. I hope you guys are having a wonderful BLAIZE-oween, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. You have no idea how much work went into this and how much crap went on behind the scenes, but I mean, the wig is a complete mess, but we did as best as we can do, and that is all we can ask for. I think it's cute. Do I look like Elaine? No. Do I look like somebody who really wants to be Elaine? Yes. Yes, I do. But like, this was fun, regardless of all the mishaps behind the scenes and everything, and me having to do TikToks in between and just having to do all of that. Go to my TikTok to go see that. If you want, go follow me on TikTok. I'm very active on there. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go watch The Love Witch. You won't regret it. I promise. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful BLAIZE-oween, and if you haven't already and you'd like to, please go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the BLAIZE Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. Woo! I'm now gonna go record my spooky, creepy skeletons. No, Q&A that you guys submitted your questions for, but I'm going to remove the wig because ow, also just hot mess. But anyway, until next time, my beautiful ones, next transformation you'll see will be my Halloween costume, which will be Annabelle Lee, and I'm not going to give away anything of how I'm going to look. So I love you guys so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love witch you. Stay wicked. Yo, I didn't tell you to record, bitch. Stop. Ghosts are taking over my phone. Okay, let's